So what we do, so there is a Ethereum Carbon, which the contract which we are going to deploy on our Rinkaby network. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is our Rinkaby. I have to make sure I have test ether available with me. So first I need to compile this contract. Once it's get compiled, it there I will see this green line over here. I can,
Mm-hmm.
I can come in the compile window. I have to select the injected web3. So
Mm-hmm.
once I select it, it's automatically showing me the network. And then I have to select here. I think here you are doing mistake. Instead of selecting the contract, you are just go ahead with deployment.
Okay.
You have to select the contract, the carbon contract. For example, this is the carbon contract which we have it here. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is our contract. Okay, we have already specify all attribute over here. Okay, whatever is deflation is coming here. So um, just we need to make sure that we should select correct contract. Okay, once we
Okay.
select the correct contract, we just click on deploy. I need to confirm it. Once I will confirm, in the meantime I will copy this contract. Our version is 6.12. Once it gets deployed, it will give me confirmation. So in
Okay.
Ethereum, it takes some time actually. In mainnet especially, it takes at least uh, minimum it's 110 minutes time. So, but we have
Okay.
to wait. So if you wanted to speed up the process, you can always increase the gas size, gas limit. Okay, our contract is already deployed in our testnet. Okay, we can see over here. Okay, let me go there again. Hmm, Still not confirmed. Okay, now it's get confirmed. I have to select my contract. You see, it's automatically coming here. Ethereum tracker, token tracker is automatically coming here. Sometime
Mm-hmm.
it's not showing. If it's not showing, it's nothing to worry about it. We just need to make sure. Once we click in the contract part, verify. We have to
Mm-hmm.
select our file. We have to select the right version, 6.12 actually. It is 6.12. I will select this is MIT license. Continue. Paste our code over here. Once I paste our code, and then we have to verify and publish. Okay, it's not coming. Hmm. Okay, so it's get confirmed.
Okay.
Okay, so do you think you can do it yourself now?
Yeah, I'm gonna try that again. I've done it multiple times before. I don't know why I'm struggling so much with this contract, but
What I
I'm gonna.
suggest, please try to do it on the testnet first. Once you
Mhm.
get success, then you go ahead with the mainnet. Okay,
Okay. All
and
right.
if there is any help from my side, please I'm always available for you.